Good morning, children. Today we're going to take up the next concept of writing skills, that is application writing. So let me just tell you the difference between a letter and an application once again. So letters are basically informal, personal. ये personal होती हैं. आप अपने किसी friend, किसी relative को, if you want to write something, that can be written through a letter. But when you want to write something officially, जब आप किसी official purpose के लिए formal तरीके से आप किसी को कुछ लिखना चाहते हो, यू वांट टू गेट योर वर्क डन, अपना कुछ काम करवाना चाहते हो किसी भी ऑफिस में, then you need to write an application, right? So today the application is going to be about the change of section. Let's read the question first of all. Suppose you are Tanish, student of class 4 of Shri Jain Mahavir Public School, Rohtak. Write an application to your principal for the change of your section. So you have to assume that, you have to suppose that you are Tanish, your name is Tanish, and you study in class 4 of Shri Jain Mahavir Public School, Rohtak. This is the name of the school in which you study, and the name of the place where the school is located is Rohtak. Now you're supposed to write an application to your principal for the change of your section, right? So you know that when we write an application, we need to address to the highest authority of that institution. उस organization के जो भी highest authority होते हैं, हमें उनसे अपना application start करना चाहिए, हमें उनसे basically अपनी बात कहनी है, right? So how shall we start? We need to write the principal, और जहाँ पर principal का जो P होता है, that has to be capital. Okay, please take care of this thing. Principal का जो P होता है in application, or when you write something, write any of the writing concepts, we need to put capital P for the principal. Then the name of the school, we have to write the address, that is Shri Jain Mahavir Public School, and then in the next line Rohtak, that is the place. So one thing you must have noticed that school name में बेटे जब भी कोई न्यू वर्ड स्टार्ट हो रहा है, श्री, जैन, महावीर, पब्लिक, स्कूल, so the first letter is capital, the S of Shri is capital, the J of Jain is capital, the M of Mahavir is capital, the P of public is capital, and then the S of the school is also capital. So you need to take care of this thing. जब भी आप किसी organization का name लिखते हैं, then उनका हर एक जो word होता है, it has to start with a capital letter, with a capital alphabet, right? And then in the next line आपको लिखना है place, जहाँ पर वो organization located है. In the next line, then we have dated. Dated means today's date. You'll have to put, so today is 18 November, comma 2020. All right. So 18 November is the date. So we have written the short form of November, that is capital NOV. Okay. Month एक special name है. It is a proper noun. So that is why we have to start the name of the month with a capital letter. That means 18 capital NOV, comma 2020. Then is the subject, that is change of section. Subject क्यों लिखा जाता है? So that पढ़ने वाले को पता चल जाए that about which thing the application is. Application किस बारे में है, उसमें क्या बात की जा रही है. Is it urgent or not urgent? Okay, so that they can get to know कि इस चीज़ को क्या अभी देखना चाहिए या इसके ऊपर एक्शन थोड़ी देर बाद लिया जा सकता है. So this is the reason of writing the subject. Then respected madam, this is the salutation. Salutation means आप किसको application लिख रहे हो, उनको हम पहले respect से उनसे बात करना start करते हैं. So the M of madam is also capital. So please remember all these small little things. Now let's come to the body of the application. Body means जो main content है आपकी application का, that is the body. So I wish to state that I am a student of 4th class of your school. So इसमें आप बता रहे हो कि I wish to state, मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि I am a student of class 4 of your school. I am suffering from skin allergy. फिर आपने अपना problem बताया कि मुझे skin allergy है and I need to take frequent leaves. इसलिए मुझे frequently leaves लेनी पड़ती हैं. Frequent means कि बहुत जल्दी जल्दी, okay? इसलिए मुझे जल्दी जल्दी leaves लेनी पड़ती हैं. No student of my section lives near my house and due to this I face problem in completing my notes. और क्योंकि मुझे जल्दी जल्दी लीव्स लेनी पड़ती हैं, because of that I face problem in completing my notes because there is no student of my section who lives near my house. मेरे घर के आसपास मेरे section में से कोई भी बच्चा नहीं रहता, because of which I face problem in completing my notes. यहाँ पर notes का meaning है your notebook. जो भी आप notebook में लिखते हो, they are all called notes. Sahil Sharma of fourth grade is my neighbor. Then you mention that Sahil Sharma जो है who is in fourth grade वो आपका neighbor है. I shall be able to note down my classwork from him easily if you change my section. So अब आप request कर रहे हो कि मैम if you can change my section then it will be really helpful for me, क्योंकि फिर मैं अपने notes अच्छे से manage कर सकता हूँ. So this would help me to complete my work at home. इससे मुझे मदद मिलेगी अपने वर्क को होम में घर में कंप्लीट करने के लिए. Therefore इसीलिए, therefore means इसलिए, I request you to kindly change my section. मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि प्लीज़ मेरा सेक्शन चेंज कर दीजिए. काइंडली मीन्स प्लीज़ कहना. ओके, काइंडली मीन्स कि आप बहुत दयालु हैं और इसीलिए वही जेस्चर दिखाते हुए आप प्लीज़ अपना जो दयालुपन है वो दिखाइए. रिक्वेस्ट यू टू काइंडली चेंज माय सेक्शन फ्रॉम फोर्थ ग्रीन टू फोर्थ रेड. इसलिए मेरा सेक्शन फोर्थ ग्रीन से फोर्थ रेड में चेंज कर दीजिए क्योंकि साहिल शर्मा स्टडीज़ इन दैट सेक्शन. सो इन द next portion you have to write the ending, that is yours obediently. yours obediently means आपकी हर बात मानने वाला, जो भी आप कहते हैं वो मानने वाला ऐसा इंसान हूँ मैं. name Danish, so you will write the name which is written in the question. Then class is fourth green and roll number is 10. All right, so please take care that while you write the ending portion, then please write yours with a capital Y, and after name, class and roll number आपको colon sign ज़रूर डालना है. colon sign means the double dots which you can see after the name, class and roll number. So, बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे करते हैं, they do not put any partition sort of thing. name के बाद simply तानिश लिख दिया, class के बाद straight away fourth green लिख दिया, इस तरह से. Please don't do like this, make things presentable. Fine. So you have written today the application today in which you have requested the principal to change the section. आज की इस application में the reason which the child has given is skin allergy. So it is not compulsory that you also need to give the same reason. You can give any other reason also. It might be about the notes or it can be about any other reason. ठीक है, किसी भी रीज़न से आप सेक्शन चेंज करवाना चाहते हो, सो यू कैन राइट दैट ऑल्सो. इट इज़ नॉट कंपल्सरी टू राइट द सेम reason. Fine. So hope the thing was clear to you. If in case you face any problem, just let me know, and stay safe, take care of yourselves. Thank you so much.